Amandeep, I understand that you have more news and you're reporting outside Sidhu's residence. There has been activity there. What are you hearing?
Well, Nupur, fresh breaking news is that now Sidhu's team has come out with the statement after the resignation, and this is the first communication. They shows the resentment against the appointment of Advocate General APS Deol while sharing his photographs with former DGP Sumed Singh Saini. Now, let me tell you the entire connection of APS Deol and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Why Navjot Singh Sidhu is against. APS Deol was the advocate of former DGP Sumed Singh Saini, who was accused in Kotakpura firing case. And even APS Deol has secured the blanket bail for former DGP Sumed Singh Saini in the Kotakpura firing case and in the other cases against whom the government was pressing to take action. But now when APS Deol all of a sudden turned to be the Advocate General, Sidhu's team is openly showing the resentment against the appointment. And in fact, Nupur, from yesterday evening, we are pressing this point that why Sidhu has resigned. This is one of the prominent reasons. And now Navjot Singh Sidhu's team confirmed Republic's newsbreak and in fact stamped the Republic's confirmation that APS Deol's appointment was one of the top reasons why Navjot Singh Sidhu has resigned from PPCC. He is against appointment of Advocate General APS Deol, but it was a decision of Charanjit Singh Channi to appoint AG of Punjab just because it is the prerogative of Chief Minister of Punjab for the appointment. But somewhere down the line, from yesterday evening, we are shortlisted 3 reasons that why Navjot Singh Sidhu has filed the resignation, and this is one of the top reasons. And now Sidhu's team, while sharing this information, put the confirmation, stamped the confirmation of Republic Newsbreak that this is the reason that why Sidhu has filed his resignation. And now Sidhu is pressing to withdraw the appointment to replace APS Deol as Advocate General, and somebody else should be the Advocate General to fight the government cases. Just because on one side he fight against the government when the entire government was pressing to take action against former DGP Sumed Singh Saini in Kotakpura firing case. And even the Kotakpura firing case is all related to the Sikh sentiments in Punjab. Lot of protest happened after that. Lot of things have changed. All political parties are behind and pressing to take action for the responsible people. But Congress government has investigated the case and find that former DGP Sumed Singh Saini should be the hand behind Kotakpura firing. And APS Deol has procured the blanket bail that he cannot be arrested till the time of elections. He turned that entire investigation into a political agenda. It was APS Deol. So that is the reason Navjot Singh Sidhu is all against for the appointment of Advocate General APS Deol, and now wanted that APS Deol should be removed, some other advocate should be appointed as Advocate General of Punjab in the interest of Punjab. But it is the decision of Charanjit Singh Channi. But Navjot Singh Sidhu's team has stamped the Republic Newsbreak that this is the reason why Navjot Singh Sidhu has resigned.
Well, all eyes will be on the cabinet meeting at 10:30 a.m. as well. Thank you, Amandeep, for joining us on the broadcast. Many thanks to Madhurima and for joining us in the broadcast as well. We'll continue tracking all the latest developments.